Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2015 Chevy Cruze LTZ with the RS package. Stock number Z8183X. Only 18,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Cruze brand new, Siren red in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, and a 6-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000 mile bumper to bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seats 5 with a leather interior, not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Nice size trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And of course, no dents or dings in the body. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 18,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys for radio and CD player. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Large glove box with the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.